Today start a electrophilic substitution in aromatic ether. Electrophilic substitution in aromatic ether. Look here. In aromatic ether, OR group, alkoxy group, activating group, ring activating group. Look here, a ring activating group. Look here, in everybody, alkoxy group is ring activating group, a ortho para directing in electrophilic substitution reaction. In electrophilic substitution reaction. Look here, everybody. The compound. Everybody, this is the aromatic ether. This is the aromatic ether. What is this? This is the alkoxy group. Alkoxy group is a ring activating group. Alkoxy group is a ring activating group. Okay, this group are ortho para directing. Ortho para directing. Correct? Look here, ortho and para directing, everybody, increase the electron density that position. Increase the electron density that position. Look here, a electrophilic substitution in aromatic ether explained by their resonance structure. Look here, a first structure, everybody, a lone pair of electron, they are migrate here. Okay, like this. 1 minute. Double bond, double bond, double bond. Okay. Next, double bond transfer, like this structure. Okay, next structure. Next. Okay. Oxygen and R means alkoxy group. Lone pair plus charge. Double bond and the negative charge. Look at the position, everybody, their position of this benzene ring, ortho position. Ortho position. Negative charge indicate increase the electron density. Increase the electron density. Look here, a negative charge then convert a pi bond, means a double bond. Okay, double bond like this. Okay, next double bond are migrate. Okay, the second structure. Next structure like this. Okay, double bond, oxygen and alkyl group. A double bond plus charge, lone pair, double bond. Next is the negative charge. Look here, a negative charge. Next is transfer, double bond or migrate. Next structure. Next structure, a resonance structure of a aromatic ether, like this. Oxygen. Next is the R. Double bond, lone pair, a plus charge. Double bond, next to the negative charge. Look here, a next structure, negative charge convert a double bond, R, a migrate, a original position. Okay, yes, like this. Next structure, double bond, next oxygen, R. Correct? Okay, yes, original structure. Look here, this is a positive R effect. This is resonance effect. Resonance effect. The lone pair of oxygen are transferred in the benzene ring and electron density increases at ortho position, para position, ortho position by electrophilic substitution in aromatic ether. Look here, actually, what is this? This is the resonance structure. This is the resonance structure. At the position, everybody here. Increase the electron density. Which position here? Ortho and para. Therefore, a alkoxy group is a activating group, a directing at ortho para position. Directing at ortho para Okay, a Artho-para position. You know a resonance structure of a aromatic ether. Resonance structure of aromatic ether. Look here, aromatic ether reaction with a different reagent to formation of a one product is a artho position, another product is a para position. Para position product is a more stable. Para position product is a more stable. Okay, look here, next reactions. Look here, next here. A first reaction. Next is a first reaction, halogenation reaction. First is a halogenation reaction. Halogenation reaction. Look here, halogenation reaction. Simple, all of you. Bromination reaction. Simple, a bromination. Correct? A bromination reaction. Look here, bromination reaction. Reaction with anisole, aromatic ether. OCS3. What is this aromatic ether? Look here, anisole. Phenanisole is reacted with. Phenanisole is reacted with bromine in acetic acid. Br2 in acetic acid, CH3COOH. Correct? Phenanisole is reacted with bromine in acetic acid. It gives a mixture of the product. It gives a mixture of product. Look here, one is okay, OCS3 like this. Next, Br. Name of the compound orthobromoanisole. Orthobromoanisole. How many percentage here? This is everybody a minor product here, a 10%. How many percentage here? 10%. And next product here. Next, all of you. Okay, OCS3. Next, look here, double bond. Next, double bond. Next, here Br. Product here, name of the compound para bromoanisole. Para bromoanisole. Here 90% product, means major product. Look here, in this reaction, no need of any catalyst, means okay, FeBr3. Fe, ferric bromide. No need of the catalyst. FeBr3 actually Lewis acid. No requirement here. No. Why? By using everybody Br2 in acetic acid. Look at simple question here. What is the action of a Br2 in acetic acid on anisole? Look here, phenanisole is reacted with Br2 in acetic acid. It gives the mixture of orthobromoanisole, a 10% means minor product, and para-bromoanisole is a major product, everybody here, a 90%. What is this bromination of ether or halogenation of reaction? Why this called as halogenation reaction? A halogen atom, everybody, halogen atom introduced in aromatic ether, introduced in benzene ring of aromatic ether. Correct? Yes. Halogenation reaction. Look here, in next reactions. Second reaction, Friedel-Crafts reaction. Second is a Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts. Look here, Friedel-Crafts reaction. Second reaction, Friedel-Crafts. Okay, Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Look here, a Friedel-Crafts reaction, there are two types. A Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction and second, a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Look here, a Friedel-Crafts, a alkylation reaction and Friedel-Crafts, everybody, a Friedel-Crafts, a acylation reaction. A first reaction is alkylation reaction. You know, first is alkylation reaction. Alkylation reaction. Correct? Yes, alkylation reaction. Look here, alkylation reaction, simple. Phenanisole, OCS3, double bond, double bond, double bond. What is this? Anisole. Phenanisole is reacted with Methyl chloride. Phenanisole is a reacted with methyl chloride plus CH3Cl. Okay, by using alkyl group, methyl is an alkyl group. This reaction is a alkylation reaction. Simple. In this reaction, a alkyl group introduce a benzene ring of aromatic ether. Benzene ring of aromatic ether. What is this? This is the alkylation reaction. In presence of anhydrous. In presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Look here, all of you. AlCl3 acts as Lewis acid. AlCl3 acts as Lewis acid. Okay, also acts as a catalyst here. Also acts as a catalyst. You know, phenanisole is a reacted with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Correct? It gives the mixture of. It gives the mixture of here like this. Okay, OCH3. Correct? Next. Look here, a simple compound CH3. Look at name of the compound, orthomethyl anisole. Simple name of the compound here, a orthomethyl anisole or a 2-methoxytoluene. 2-methoxytoluene. Correct? 2-methoxytoluene. Minor product here, ortho minor here. Look here, plus next compound. Next. Okay, OCH3 like this. Correct? Next is the CEH3. Name of the compound here, 4-methoxytoluene. 4-methoxytoluene. Look here, 4-methoxytoluene. Here, major product. Look here, all of you. Look here, it gives the mixture of here. It gives the mixture of a ortho product and para product. You know, ortho product here, 2-methoxytoluene. Next, the 4-methoxytoluene. Okay, reaction is electrophilic substitution reaction. Which group are introduced here? Methyl group introduced. Which group is introduced? A methyl group introduced. Next question, simple here. What is the action of methyl chloride? What is the action of a methyl chloride on anisole? Simple. Phenanisole is reacted with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. It gives the mixture of 2-methoxytoluene. 2-methoxytoluene is a minor product. What? Ortho position here. Look here, a 4-methoxytoluene is a major product. Okay, 4-methoxytoluene major product. Reaction is alkylation reaction. Why this reaction is called as alkylation reaction? Alkyl group are introduced in benzene ring of a aromatic ether. Okay. Look here, next. A simple here. A second is a acylation reaction. You know second acylation reaction. Look here, acylation means simple, everybody here, CH3COCl. CH3COCl. Name of the compound, acetyl chloride. Look here, all of you, phenanisole. Look here, phenanisole is reacted with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Okay, it gives mixture like this. COCH3 like this. Correct? COCH3. Okay. 4-methoxy. Name of the compound, 4-methoxy acetophenone. 4-methoxy acetophenone. Correct? Like this. Next, 4-methoxy here, acetophenone. Okay. Okay, this is the major product. Look at this. Why this reaction is called as a acylation reaction? Why this is called as acylation reaction? A acyl group are introduced a benzene ring of aromatic ether. Benzene ring of a aromatic ether. Simple explanation here. When anisole is reacted with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCN3, it gives a mixture of a 2-methoxyacetophenone. Actually, this is the minor product. Why this is ortho position? Okay. And next is a 4-methoxyacetophenone, a major product. A major product reaction is a Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction, there are how many type of reaction? There are two type of reaction. First is a Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, and second is a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Alkylation, alkyl group are introduced. Acylation, a acyl group are introduced. Okay, both reaction. Okay, both reaction are most important here. Look here, third reaction here. You know, third, a nitration reaction. Third is a nitration reaction. Look here, all of you, a nitration reaction. Next is a nitration. Okay. Nitration reaction. Look here, nitration here. Actually, what is my nitrating mixture? Concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. Okay, what is this? What is this here? This reaction is called as a nitrating mixture. What is this? This is called as a nitrating mixture. Nitrating mixture. Look here, a nitration reaction here. Everybody, here first is the most important part initially, a nitrating mixture. What is meant by nitrating mixture? What is meant by a nitrating mixture? A mixture of a concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4 is called as a nitrating mixture. Okay? Yes. Look here, reaction, phenanisole. Simple. Okay, OCS3. What is this? This is the anisole is reacted with concentrated HNO3. Concentrated HNO3 in presence of concentrated H2SO4. Look here, concentrated HNO3, everybody here, like this, HONO2. Okay. Look here, a hydrogen atom, everybody, hydrogen atom of benzene ring is replaced by a NO2 group. Remove the water, H2O, remaining part of NO2. Nitration, what is my nitration reaction? A nitro group, NO2 group introduce a benzene ring of aromatic ether. This reaction is called as a nitration of ether. Which group are introduced here? A nitro group, NO2 group are introduced here. Correct? Yes. Look here, name of the compound here, anisole. Name of the compound here, anisole. Look at when anisole is reacted with concentrated HNO3 in presence of concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4 acts as a dehydrating agent. Concentrated H2SO4 acts as a dehydrating agent. You know product here, it gives mixture of, like this mixture. Okay, a first compound like this. OCH3, correct. Okay, next is the next. NO2, name of the compound, a orthonitroanisole. You have 2-nitroanisole. 2-nitro, everybody, here 2-nitroanisole. 1 minute. 2-nitroanisole. 2-nitroanisole. Okay, look here, major or minor here. This is the minor product. Ortho position. Minor product. Look here, next. Next the compound, a para-nitroanisole. Para-nitroanisole, correct? Look here, OCH3. Next is the NO2. Okay, like this, correct? Yes. Name of the compound here, 4-nitroanisole. Name of the compound, a 4-nitroanisole. Look here, a major product here. Look here a major product. Look here, all of you, a simple here, what is the action of, okay, what is the action of nitrating mixture or concentrated NaCnO3 on anisole? Simple. Look here, when anisole is reacted with a concentrated HNO3 in presence of a concentrated H2SO4, it gives the mixture of a 2-nitroanisole, a minor product, and 4-nitroanisole is a major product here. Correct? Major product. Look here. This is the nitration reaction. You know a chemical reaction, all of you, a chemical reaction of aromatic ether. A first reaction is a halogenation reaction. A second reaction, Friedel-Crafts reaction. There are two types of reaction. First is a Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, and second is a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, and third reaction, nitration reaction. Okay, complete the chemical properties or chemical reaction of a aromatic ether of a electrophilic substitution in aromatic ether. Okay, thank you.